Sitting in a 2012 Honda Civic, we're going to be programming one non-remote key and one remote key. There's our keys. Go to Honda, Civic, key coding, 2012. Okay, we're going to turn the key on. Okay, we're going to add a new key. The remote key is programmed, but the non-remote key isn't. Here we go. Enter number of keys. There's 2 total. Off. On, same key. Off. New key. On. Off. Same key. On. That's our security indicator. Off. On. Okay, security went out. Yes, it did. Procedures complete. Okay, I'm going to put the original key in. The security light's off with the original. Then second key. The security light off. All done.